it's so unusual, well, relatively unusual for Mozart to add a qualifier with the tempo, and in this case it's allegretto grazioso. And I think you can think a little bit more about the grazioso, because I felt that there was a kind of breathlessness, first of all, and a determination there being. Right, and if you could be a little more consistent with the two notes, sorry. Now we're losing a little bit of the singing quality. Right. Now, of course, I don't want you to make a big deal out of this, but you know, Joel Schmo would have written.